Right, so I finally got down here to the heat and air conditioning controller. Um, I had a spare one laying around. Had a scratch across it, but it'll work for now. The heater resistor, the blower resistor was burnt out on this. The wires were all melted, so I went ahead and just installed a pulse width modulation controller and cleaned out, took the controller apart, took the dial apart in there so it was a hollow cavity, put the on-off switch potentiometer in there and fitted the knob to it. So now to use it, we just, that's on. And that's all the way up. And this should permanently solve the blower resistor issues, since there isn't any. Alright, now I don't know where I'm going to go next. Probably going to do the headliner and then put the rest of the interior back in and then deal with the trim plate for here.